Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. What parent does not struggle with trying to get their kids to brush their teeth? Well, I have a special little one in my life that I wanted to try to encourage her to do that. So I found this Oral-B frozen to electric toothbrush that works perfectly. So it's just perfect because this one has Anna on it, so she really loves Anna, so that works out great. But I like how the buttons are easy to use. So there's an on and off. Very easy for little ones to be able to push the button to turn it on. And then as you can see, the top head spins, the bottom one stays still, whereas the top one spins around in circles. Then to turn it off, they just push the bottom button. And then I also like how underneath they have just a little screw, one screw to take out so that you can replace the battery, which is just one AA battery. But it's not easy to undo for little kids to undo. So if you are trying to encourage some special little one in your life to brush their teeth, I don't know why, but electric toothbrushes like this are a big hit with them. She loves it, and I hope your little one will too. And that is just my point of view.